Welcome to Tech Explorer. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated releases from Poco this year, the Poco X7 Pro. Known for delivering flagship-level features at a competitive price, Poco has once again raised the bar with the X7 Pro. Featuring a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, a versatile 50MP triple camera system, and a 5000 mAh battery with 67W fast charging, this phone is packed with features that cater to gamers, photographers, and power users alike. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? Let's find out in this in-depth review. The Poco X7 Pro strikes a perfect balance between style and durability. It features a premium glass back with a smooth matte finish, complemented by an aluminum frame for added sturdiness. Weighing just 205 grams and with a thickness of 8.4 millimeters, the X7 Pro is comfortable to hold, despite packing a large battery. The device comes in three stunning color options: obsidian black, frosted blue, and the eye-catching luminous yellow, which is Poco's signature shade. For added durability, the phone includes Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back, offering decent protection against scratches and drops. The IP53 rating also ensures resistance to dust and light splashes, though it's not fully waterproof. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display on the Poco X7 Pro is one of its standout features. With a full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, it delivers a smooth and immersive experience, whether you're gaming or simply scrolling through social media. Supporting HDR10+, the display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, making it perfect for watching movies or playing graphically intense games. The 1500 nits peak brightness ensures great visibility, even under direct sunlight. The inclusion of DC dimming and Poco's adaptive brightness 2.0 helps reduce eye strain during extended usage, making this display as practical as it is stunning. Under the hood, the Poco X7 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, a flagship-grade processor that ensures top-notch performance. Built on the 4nm architecture, it delivers exceptional efficiency and raw power for demanding tasks. Pair this with up to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage, and you have a phone that breezes through multitasking, gaming, and content creation. The vapor chamber cooling 2.0 keeps the device cool, even during extended gaming sessions. In benchmarks, the X7 Pro scores over 1.2 million on AnTuTu, placing it among the top-performing devices in its segment. Whether you're playing graphics-intensive titles like Genshin Impact or using productivity apps, the X7 Pro ensures a seamless experience. The 50MP triple camera system on the Poco X7 Pro delivers impressive versatility and quality. The primary sensor, equipped with optical image stabilization (OIS) and advanced AI features, captures stunningly detailed photos in both daylight and low-light conditions. The 8MP ultrawide lens offers a 120-degree field of view, making it ideal for landscape shots and group photos. Meanwhile, the 2MP macro lens allows you to capture intricate close-ups, though it's more of a niche feature. For video, the X7 Pro supports 4K recording at 60 frames per second, with improved stabilization for smoother footage. The 16MP front camera is great for selfies, offering sharp and natural results with features like portrait mode and AI Beautify. The Poco X7 Pro is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or using multiple apps, this battery has you covered. What's even more impressive is the 67W fast charging capability. POCO claims you can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes, which is a game changer for users always on the go. While there's no wireless charging, the fast wired charging and excellent battery optimization more than make up for it. The POCO X7 Pro runs on HyperOS 2.0, POCO's latest software based on Android 15. This new operating system offers a cleaner and faster experience, with several optimizations for gaming, productivity, and battery life. HyperOS 2.0 introduces features like Game Turbo 6.0, which enhances performance for gamers by allocating resources intelligently. The interface is smooth and highly customizable, with options to tweak themes, icons, and gestures to your liking. Security and privacy have also been improved, with enhanced permissions management and system-wide encryption to keep your data safe. One of the biggest strengths of the POCO X7 Pro is its price. Starting at just $499, it offers flagship-level features at a mid-range price point. Its closest competitors include the Realme GT5 Pro and OnePlus Ace 3, but the POCO X7 Pro stands out with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 performance, better software optimization, and vibrant AMOLED display. For those looking for premium features without breaking the bank, the X7 Pro is hard to beat. So, is the POCO X7 Pro worth it? With its stunning AMOLED display, flagship-level performance, versatile camera system, and affordable pricing, it's undoubtedly one of the best value for money phones of the year. Whether you're a gamer, a photography enthusiast, or just someone who wants a reliable daily driver, the POCO X7 Pro delivers on all fronts. What do you think about this new POCO device? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.